my name's Martha, I'm 30. I started at ICAT on a level 2 course in aircraft engineering, progressed to a level 3 with additional A licence modules, and just completed a BSc in aircraft engineering with a first class honours. I chose Cardiff and Vale College because of the facilities. We've got a hangar here with a couple of aircrafts and some engines that we get to work on. It's also accredited by the CAA, so we can work towards our B licenses here. I really enjoyed the variety of different modules, so every year you're learning something new and you're constantly kept on your toes and you never get bored. The smaller class sizes as well was a massive benefit. You really get to know your classmates, and being able to talk to your lecturers and have that time with them where you are struggling or if there is any difficulties is a massive bonus. One of the highlights of the course was getting to go on a trip to the Royal Aeronautical Society for a competition with my classmates and getting to meet lots of other people in the industry. One of the bonuses of the college as well is that lots of the lecturers do come from the industry, from different sectors, which really helps when you're focusing on your career because you get to talk to them about the different areas. So next to me, I'm pretty open with different areas in engineering, which is another bonus of this course because you do get to study these different things. But gas turbines is a passion, and also renewable energy.